It is so hot right now in the Philippines, so today I was going somewhere to cool off. This involved a road trip along with some of my wife's family. We were going somewhere to relieve ourselves from the heat. And what better place to do this than Malipot, which translated into English literally means cold or malamig in Tagalog. This is a freshwater spring in the Camarines Sur area. It only costs 5 pesos to enter here. Malipot really does live up to its name. It felt freezing, especially at first. The trouble with places like this that are cheap to go to is that they're always very busy. And then with this place in particular, it's not very big, so when it's busy, you do not have a lot of room to yourself. So for that reason, we didn't spend too much time there, but it was so refreshing. And for 5 pesos per person, you really cannot go wrong. Interestingly enough, this spring is near a beach called Mainit, that of course being the complete opposite meaning, which is hot in English. We went straight from Malipot Spring to Mainit Beach for our next place to swim, and it did not disappoint.